What's up? Welcome back. My name and my sign name. And today we're going to be learning about if having, hearing loss makes you tired or more tired or whatever. And I do believe so. With and without hearing aids, it is exhausting having to focus on someone's facial features because I read lips a lot, so I have to make sure that they're facing me. I can clearly see their lips and actually enunciating the words, since a lot of people mumble, and that's hard too. If I do my hearing aids, it's exhausting trying to weed out what I don't want to hear. Like if I'm in a restaurant, I hear everything. I hear everyone's conversations. So it is tiring to try to just focus on the one conversation that you're actually trying to have. So yeah, hearing loss is more tiring than not having.